The first and foremost thing is, if anybody praises Aurangzeb or insults Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, that person has no place in India or in Maharashtra. Especially, we hope and we believe that when BJP is governing, such a statement shouldn't have been ever made. Now that it has been made, let me also tell you the truth, that Abu Azmi is the B team of BJP. Every time BJP comes into trouble in Maharashtra, they activate Abu Azmi. That's what happened in the last session. If you remember, I had exposed the same thing. I had said that Abu Azmi is the B team of BJP. This time also, because we were raising the issue of Koratkar and Solapurkar, who have insulted Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, we also raised the issue of Mr. Koshyari, who was the then governor who insulted Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule and Savitribai Phule. That is why Abu Azmi has been activated. As with regards to the grave of some king from 17 whatever or 300 years ago, the BJP is in government in the center, the BJP is in government in the state. Let them take a call. But what about the grave crisis of unemployment today? The Sensex has seen a bloodbath. Let's also discuss that. Let's not stop any demolition. Do that 100%. But what about the demolition of our share market today? What about the demolition of jobs today? Well, who's talking about the law and order situation today? The BJP came into trouble in Maharashtra, which is why they activated Abu Azmi only and only because Dhananjay Munde had to resign over terrible photos that we saw, the video that we saw. So the BJP also has to answer this even today. So we were asking for Abu Azmi suspension yesterday. They took one entire day because they wanted to run politics on that. And they have not yet spoken a word on Koratkar and Solapurkar only and only because they belong to the BJP. They haven't spoken a word on Koshyari, who's also insulted Chhatrapati Shivaji. Why? They should speak about that.